BMW's headquarters in Munich may be, but the German company is eager to note the success of manufacturing in the United States. For more than 2 decades, the Spartanburg plant in South Carolina, BMW has built products, including the Z3, Z4 and the first-generation variants of the E36 Series 3. Today the installation of 5 million square feet it is responsible for the average SUV assembly, X5 and X6, and its compact size, X3 and X4, which includes the new 2018 BMW X3. Because it is the internet in 2017, it is now without a doubt some of you screaming on their screens that you do not see the fuck difference. This could be the reason why BMW contains useful fractional images comparing the old model to the new F25. At the front, the 2018 BMW X3 features a larger grille with slightly smaller LED headlights as well as a new hexagonal fog light LED treatment. At the rear, there is a redesigned LED rear light kit and the first trailer hitch factory installed on a BMW X3. Inside, a powerful combination of changes and additional hexagons rules the day. The new 10.25-inch BMW entertainment screen highlights the center of the new driver-oriented dashboard but look familiar CVCA and audio controls on the center stack. A large panoramic glass sunroof, new heads full of displaying colors up, the 3-spoke steering wheel front ventilated and updated for the new 2018 BMW X3 model outgoing model. In addition, the rear seats are folded individually and prone to increase load storage options. As its predecessor built Spartanburg, the third-generation X3 will be available with 4 or 6 engine cylinders. The 4-wheel drive or X-drive BMW in the language, is now standard, while a diesel engine option is no longer on the table. 4 X-drive 30i cylinders named 2018 BMW X3 are equipped with a supercharged 2.0-liter 4-cylinder model, while 6 cylinders carry the M40i nomenclature and sport a 3.0-liter 6-lane supercharged